Hello and welcome to Elementio. In this video I'm going to give you a detailed walkthrough of how to get started with Elementio. So now basically in the dashboard you got 5 icons. Number 1 is the create new campaign, number 2 is the list of all your campaigns, number 3 is the WordPress plugin, which is a pro feature, and number 4 are tutorials, number 5 is the support desk. Alright, now when you're getting started, you just want to go ahead and create a new campaign. In the campaign name you want to put something that will help you recognize that what this specific campaign is for. So let's say if I'm creating this demo video, I'm gonna name it Elementio Demo, and link path is the path that Elementio will give you as a slug for promoting the link. Okay, so you can put this anything, and in the link part you're gonna put the website that you want to load. Oh, and yeah, we got a pretty cool trending feature here that grabs from different resources the trending content on the internet, but I'll just go with a custom link right now. Let's say go with entrepreneur.com, and just hit this load button right here, and voila, it will load the page for you right here, and you can put all your elements over it. So I'm just gonna quickly walk you through of how to. We got plenty of elements from notify box, poll box, correctors, product box, video box, delay pop-ups, countdown timers, on exit pop-ups, custom image, embed code, and retargeting pixel. And here's your metadata. Okay, so let's say that I want to put a notification box on my web page. Alright, now I'm just gonna click on this and change the headline, and change the button text. Okay, now to change the image you just have to click on the image right over here, and it will load the library over here. If you have already uploaded some images, it will display right here, but if you don't have images uploaded, then you can easily upload from over here. And I'll just, let's say, head over to my downloads and upload a random image. Okay, let me just quickly go through here. Okay, let's say I've got this clip out of a lion, and I'm just gonna select this and it will pop over here. Now in the redirect link you want to put the link that you want your audience to be redirected when they click the button. Right, I'm just gonna put it Google, and you can put the delay seconds of the pop-up of the notification box to appear, and you can even make the button link open in a new tab. You can play with the styling, change the fonts, change the colors. Yeah, I'll just gonna go with red, and once you're done, okay, yeah, you got animations over here as well. Different kind of animations you can choose from, and we got 3 kind of notify boxes, so you can pretty much choose from any one of these. And once you're done, you can click this activate button and it will display right here. And let's say if you are stuck somewhere and need a quick demo, just go over here and it will show you a beautiful video, quick, like a minute long video, and it will help you to go through that. Alright, and just hit the save button once you're done, and you can drag the notify box on your screen any way you want. So I'm just gonna put it right here for now, Now let's say I want a poll box. Okay, so we got two features in the poll box: a multiple choice question and a free text answer, right? So I'm just gonna go with multiple choice question for now, and let's say give it a 5-second delay. Now changing the headline is just simple. Just you click on the headline and just, you know, to change the image, you can select any image from your library and upload it, and change the button text as well. Go ahead and style it as you wish. Let's say a little bit darker color, and something around here for the button a bit darker. Yeah. And once you are satisfied with the stylings, you can go ahead and, you know, check the animations as well and put in the polling options right here. Okay, you can, you know, put up to 6 different options. I'm just gonna go with, let's say, 4. Exhibit A, Exhibit D, Exhibit B, Exhibit C. Okay, once you're done, you know, it's the same thing. Just hit this activate button and then save it and drag it anywhere you want. And, you know, we got a couple of more stuff right here. The characters, you can, you know, put any kind of text in your you know, you can even change the color of this board, so I cannot even call it a white or a black board. Anyway, you can, you know, select different characters, and this is a text. Replace this if you want. Okay, and just give it a link to redirect it when click, and let's say give it a 6-second delays perhaps. And yeah, we also have some female avatars, mascots right here for you. Once you're done with that, you can, you know, like I said, you can even change this to a whiteboard, and you know, change the text color to the black, and make it as you want. It's, you know, pretty easy to change the stuff and fit it to your requirements. It's just really easy to use. And I'm gonna change the font, let's say Century Gothic, and let's say 16 pixel. And I can even select the text alignment from right here. And you know, I'm not satisfied with the size of the board. I'm just gonna make it a bit shorter. Yep, looks perfect. And once you're done, you can also, you know, add animations and switch it on and save it, and, you know, put it anywhere in the world you want. And that's how pretty much everything goes. I'm just gonna show you a quick demo of the product box as well. Now this is one of the pretty much the best feature in Elementio that I like personally. Okay, now let's say this is a lion. Want to get one delivered to you, order now. And well, you know, you can put different kind of prices right here and change the currency as well. And the best feature is that if you want to give, like, let's say a 15% discount, it will automatically calculate the price and display it. And, you know, you can give the offer an expiry time if you wish, and put the link that the buyer will redirect to, and change the button text. let's say delay of 5 seconds perhaps. And you can also change all of this stuff, and I'm just gonna keep it same. You can add animations. I'm just gonna hit the activate button and save it, and here's your product box. Now let's say you are not satisfied with what you just made, and you want to throw all of this out of your screen and start freshly over. So you're just gonna come over here and hit this clear button, and it will refresh the whole page for you and throw all of that out of your screen. Okay, so now we got this pretty cool feature, video box. Now this basically it displays your videos in a beautiful looking mockups. And let me just quickly grab a YouTube video ID. Now video ID is basically the ID that YouTube provides. I'm just gonna copy this link, come over to here, and you don't want the part after is equals to, okay? You just want to erase that and keep the rest, okay? Now you can also upload a custom thumbnail image. I'm just gonna go with this line, and you can change the mockups. It will update right here in real time, and select a play button. Yep, looks great. And you can also add delay. I'm just gonna turn this on and save it, and I can place this anywhere in the world. And the next feature we have is delay pop-up. Now in delay pop-ups you can show 3 different kinds of delays: one with image, another one with embed code, and another one with link. For this demo I'm just gonna use a image. So let's say I'm just gonna go ahead and let's say put these cute puppies right here. And yep, once the image is uploaded, you can change the width and height from here. 1920 by 1200. Oh, this will be a bit too big, so let's just say 1450 perhaps. Well, I don't know if this would be a good dimension. And let's just say give it a 10 seconds delay and save it. Now to check the delay pop-up, you can always head over to the preview option right here, and within 10 seconds it's gonna appear right over here. Here it is, beautiful delay pop-up. Okay, and I'm just gonna head back over here and show you another feature. Now these we have countdown timers next. Okay, so to see any changes, you just first want to turn this on, and we got plenty of timers right here. I'm just gonna go with the flipper version of it. I like this one the best, and just change the time a bit, set it, and change the font. Let's say Century Gothic. Change the font size 60. And perhaps change the background color. This looks pretty good. And once you're done, you can always hit the save button, and it will be right there, and then you can always preview from right here. Okay, so the next feature we got is on exit pop-ups. Okay, now this is basically the same thing like the delay pop-ups, but it's just it just appears when someone tries to exit. And you also got 3 options over here to add the pop-up. I'm just gonna go with these dogs. They look really cute, to be honest. And put any URL right here. to redirect the user who clicks on the pop-up. And let's say 1450 by 800. Not sure if this would look good. And you can also, you know, select that. And once you can also select animations for the pop-up. And this is just a square that will show how the animation works, right? Just turn this on and save it. And you know, let's preview it. Head over to the preview section. Now you should know that Chrome is not allowing to show the old pop-ups, so it just, you know, gives a pop-up saying, do you want to leave the page, and they're not working anymore. So as soon as I try to exit this page, this pop-up will come over here. You know, as soon as my mouse cursor leaves the page, this pop-up will come over on my screen. So that's how exit pop-ups work. Okay, now let's say I'm just gonna clear this old stuff and hit the OK button right here. And we got, you know, custom image. You can, you know, upload any of your image right here and just put all this stuff. I'm just gonna leave this for right now. The video length is, you know, going a bit too much. And the same thing goes with the HTML embed code. You can put any code right here, give it a width, height, and run it, and just turn this button on and hit the save button, and it will appear outside perfectly. And we got the retargeting pixel. You know, just put your retargeting code right here and it will paste it inside the code. And lastly, we got the meta details for your page. So let's say Elementio Demo, Elementio add elements, oops, boost conversion, you know, different kind of oh sorry, this is the description part. Just paste it. Elementio, the ultimate conversion boosting success. Okay, now once you're done with this you can just, you know, hit this cross button and it will automatically save all this stuff. And I'm just gonna, you know, apply some of this stuff right here, turn this on, save it, and put this here. Let's go to poll box, put this on, and save it here as well. Put it around, like, let's say right here. And let's turn on correctors as well, okay? Turns on, save it, and put it, let's say, right here. Now once I'm done with my campaign, what I want to do is I'm just gonna go ahead and hit the save button right here. Okay, and it will save my campaign now. The most important part is that if you do not hit this publish button right here, your campaign will not be published and all of your work will be wasted. Okay, so you don't want that to happen. Just, you know, click on this publish button right here and, you know, everything will work very beautifully. And here's the pop-up that says that your campaign has been successfully published. Now we got, you know, pretty much all of the stuff you will ever need to promote this right here. Okay, now in actions you can go ahead and view the campaign you just created. You can also, you know, add it from here or delete this campaign, copy the link of the campaign and copy the script. Now we are still working on this script part to make it perfect, so keep sending us the, you know, feedback so we can improve this. You can watch a quick demo right over here about how this script works. Okay, now this is your main page. Okay, So let's say if someone clicks on your characters, he will be redirected to Google, right? And the same thing would happen if I click right here, and it will be dragged as a click back there. And let's say I submit this, and this will be submitted and the page will reload. Okay, so that's how it works. And once if someone submits, you can always come in here to check what happened. Now I clicked once on notify box, clicked once on the poll box, clicked once on the character box. Okay, now here is the answer that I just selected. I selected exhibit B on the poll box, and here's the IP address I accessed the page from. So here are the statics, and you can also check how your campaign will look on different kind of devices. Once you are done, you can cross this. We got URL shortener stuff. You can also we share how to set up the Google credentials in the demo video in this button right here. You can always check that, and it's pretty much easy to set this up. And you can also share all your campaigns on one click on your social media platform. You can just clone this in one click, and yeah, that's pretty much how Elementio works. And we've got a pretty cool integration of Usign. So you can, if you are a Usign user, you can just put in your key and token right here, and it will bring all of your credentials, all of your images, etc. into the image library back there, and you can use them with Elementio. So that's pretty much how Elementio works, and I hope that this video helps you get through.